The DATENAME function is used to split the desired part of a DATETIME data as a string. It works similarly to the DATEPART function. But DATEPART function returns integer, DATENAME function returns string value. Two parameters are sent to the function. The first parameter is the desired part of the DATETIME value. The second parameter must be a DATETIME type data. Let's do an example in SQL Server to better understand how it works. I will pass the same values to DATENAME and DATEPART function. There is no difference between them for the year parameter. For the month parameter, the DATENAME function returns a string, and the DATEPART function returns an integer parameter. The DW parameter is like the month parameter. DATENAME function returns string, DATEPART function returns integer parameter. The second parameter can be a column of data type DATETIME. Let's do an example. I'm going to create a table with ID, first name, last name and start date. I add 10 records to the table. By using the DATENAME function, I can get the year, month and day information of the start dates. Notice that the value for month is returned as a string instead of an integer. It returns the day value as a string in the DW parameter. Parameters such as day, hour, and minute can be sent to the function as the first parameter. I want to show you in order how the parameters work. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.